primetime news this evening, voter turnout at historic low. Tension in St. James after fatal police shooting in Flanker. And we'll go live to the JLP and PNP party headquarters as the votes come in. Good evening and welcome to this special edition of Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. In business news, will the local government election have any impact on inflation? The BOJ weighs in, and Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Janella, Sharika Jackson, who is the RJR Gleaner Sportswoman of the Year, has been nominated for the prestigious Laureus Sportswoman of the Year award. And there is a further delay in the decision of John Campbell in his appeal to the Court of Arbitration for Sport. We'll have the details of those in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, did you vote today? Give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.